Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to connect this Sony Inzone Earbuds to your PS5 console. Take this USB trans receiver and here you need to slide it. Just slide this from PC to PS5. If it is already in PS5 or mobile, just leave that. So just insert this USB type C into this PS5 console. If you want to use this extension like USB, that also you can do it. So these also you can use it, okay? But I have a USB type C port, so I'm going to insert that. You need to insert that in any of this port. Insert it and it should be like a flashy for some time, then it should be stable. If it is stable means it is connected. So first we need to take this out, then only it will be connected. Yes, it's connected, stable. Also you can see that. I want to show the audio. PS button. So here you can verify under audio. PS5 will be picking automatically this USB headset, but if it is not changed right, you need to change it manually. If it is in TV, you need to change that. And then you can use the mic as well. So open the mic, that also you can change it. Sometimes it might be selecting this wireless controller. If it is not selected, we need to change that so that you can use the mic. Also you can verify the mic, adjust mic level. Hello. Also you can check the charging level in the accessories, how much charge this USB headset have. Okay, also you can just do some setups. Go to sound, so audio output, so this is the default one. Then you can set the 3D audio for headphones, set up 3D audio. So here you can enable this 3D audio for headphones. So that's it friends, this is the way you can connect this Sony Inzone Earbuds to your PS5 console. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video form. Thank you, bye and take care.